Question number 8. Find two numbers which, when multiplied together, make 100. Neither of the two numbers must use any zeros. So we know that 4 times 25 equals to 100. They are called friend numbers, right? We're very familiar about that. And find two numbers which, when multiplied together, make 1,000. Once again, neither of the two numbers must use any zeros. So 1,000, we know that that is 8 times 125. Still very familiar about this. But the next one is it asks you to get 1,000,000, and you cannot have any zeros. So what's the relationship between 1,000 and 1,000,000, guys? So 1,000, let's say 1,000,000. This is 1,000,000, right? The 1,000,000 equals to 1,000 times 1,000. That means you have to times 8 and 125, and then times 8 and times 125. That will give you 1,000,000. But you want to get two numbers. So we're going to put 8 and 8 together. That cannot produce any zeros. And if you times these two together, 125 and 125, it cannot produce any zeros. So that's the answer. 8 times by 8 is 64. How about 125 times 125? Let's do this calculation together. So 5 times 125 is 625. 2 times 125 is 250. And then 1 times 125 is 125 here. So let's add them together. 5 and then 2 and then carry over 1. You got 6 and 5 and 1. So basically it's 15,625. Let me write down that for you. So that's the final answer, guys. The answer of the last question is 64 times 15,625, and then you got 1,000,000.